What makes Malaga a must-visit destination? The answer to that lies in the city's unique blend of rich history, vibrant culture, and unapologetic luxury. Nestled along Spain's sun-soaked Costa del Sol, Malaga is a city that embraces the past while boldly stepping into the future. Let's take a journey back in time. Malaga's history stretches back nearly 3,000 years, making it one of the oldest cities in the world. Its storied past is etched into every corner of the city, from the ancient Roman theatre to the imposing Alcazaba fortress. But perhaps the city's most notable claim to historical fame is its connection to one of the most influential artists of the 20th century, Pablo Picasso. Born and raised in Malaga, Picasso's artistic genius is celebrated at the city's Picasso Museum, a must-visit for any art enthusiast. But Malaga isn't just about history and art. It's a city that knows how to live in the moment. The streets are alive with energy, echoing with the sound of laughter, flamenco music, and the clink of glasses. It's a city that celebrates life, whether it's in the form of a lively street festival, a quiet afternoon siesta, or a night out at a trendy rooftop bar. And let's not forget about the city's luxurious side. From the glitzy resorts of Marbella to the Michelin-starred restaurants, Malaga knows how to spoil its visitors. Whether you're a fan of boutique shopping, gourmet dining, or simply lounging on a sun-kissed beach, Malaga has something for everyone. But that's just scratching the surface of what Malaga has to offer. Over the next few scenes, we'll delve deeper into the city's luxurious lifestyle, exploring everything from its world-class dining scene to its stunning beaches and opulent spa retreats. So whether you're a history buff, a culture vulture, or a luxury lover, Malaga is a city that promises to captivate, inspire, and indulge. Stay tuned to uncover the luxurious side of Malaga's lifestyle. Welcome to Marbella, the playground of the rich and famous. From the moment you step foot in Marbella, you're greeted with an air of opulence that's uniquely Marbellan. This sun-soaked city is much more than just a beautiful face. It's a beacon of luxury that attracts the world's glitterati like moths to a flame. Let's start with the cars, shall we? In Marbella, luxury cars are not just a mode of transportation, they're a lifestyle. Bugattis, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, they're as common here as the palm trees lining the golden boulevards. And speaking of boulevards, let's not forget about the high-end shopping. Marbella's shopping scene is a fashionista's dream come true. From world-renowned designer boutiques to unique local gems, the city is a treasure trove of luxury goods. Whether it's the latest Chanel bag or a bespoke piece of jewelry, shopping in Marbella is an experience in itself. But what truly sets Marbella apart is its homes. Opulent, grand, and downright awe-inspiring. These are not just houses, they're architectural masterpieces. Mansions with sprawling gardens, penthouses with panoramic views of the Mediterranean, villas nestled on the mountainside. Each home is more spectacular than the last. And let's not forget about the yachts. Marbella's marinas are filled with some of the world's most luxurious yachts. These floating palaces are a testament to the city's love for the finer things in life. Of course, all this luxury isn't just for show. It's a way of life. In Marbella, luxury is in the details. It's in the perfectly manicured gardens, the immaculate streets, the world-class service. It's in the way the city embraces the good life, without apology or pretense. Yes, Marbella is a city that prides itself on its luxurious lifestyle, but it's also a city that knows how to enjoy the finer things in life. From the sparkling sea to the star-studded nightlife, Marbella is a city that never fails to dazzle. Marbella is the epitome of luxury, but let's not forget about the fine dining. Feast your senses at some of the finest Michelin-starred restaurants in Malaga. An Epicurean's paradise, Malaga is home to an array of haute cuisine establishments, each offering a unique culinary experience. Let's embark on a gastronomic journey, starting with the likes of Skina, a gem tucked away in the narrow streets of Marbella's old town. Here, traditional Andalusian flavors are reinvented with a modern twist, a testament to the chef's creativity and respect for local produce. Moving on, we explore the culinary artistry of José Carlos Garcia. Situated along the bustling Muela Uno, the restaurant offers an innovative menu that is a harmonious blend of traditional and avant-garde cooking techniques. Each dish is a masterpiece, showcasing the chef's deep understanding of flavors and textures. Whether it's Skina's innovative Andalusian cuisine or José Carlos Garcia's artistic fusion dishes, Each bite is a travelogue of Malaga's rich culinary heritage and gastronomic excellence. After a sumptuous meal, it's time to relax at the beach. Bask in the sun on Malaga's stunning beaches and indulge in boutique shopping. If you're a sun worshipper and a fashionista at heart, Malaga is your paradise. Its coastline, adorned with golden sands kissed by the Mediterranean sun, is dotted with an array of pristine beaches. La Malagueta, a local favorite, is a sanctuary for those seeking a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Now imagine strolling along the soft sand, the warm sun on your skin, the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, a symphony of nature in perfect harmony. As the sun sets, the sky paints a picturesque backdrop of hues, from vibrant oranges to soft purples, casting a magical glow over the sea. But the allure of Malaga doesn't end with its beaches. The city is also a treasure trove for those with a penchant for boutique shopping. Malaga's shopping scene is a kaleidoscope of high-end fashion, unique accessories and exclusive homeware, nestled in charming boutiques. Each boutique, with its distinct style, offers a shopping experience that transcends the conventional. Take a stroll down Marqués de Larios Street, the city's shopping hub, where each boutique is an oasis of style. Here you'll discover a curated selection of fashion from local and international designers, handcrafted jewelry that tells a story, and unique homeware that adds a touch of Spanish charm to any living space. A visit to Malaga isn't complete without exploring its vibrant markets. Atarazanas Market, a historic building with a modern soul, houses stalls laden with fresh produce, gourmet delicacies, and exquisite artifacts. Here you can sample the city's gastronomic delights, such as the much-loved jamon iberico, and take home a piece of Malaga's vibrant culture. Malaga, a city where the sun shines brighter, the sea sings louder, and the fashion speaks volumes. A place where the beach is your canvas and every boutique is a new chapter in your style story. From sun-kissed beaches to boutique shopping, Malaga has it all. But what about the wine? Malaga's finest wine and spa retreats are the perfect way to unwind. The city is renowned for its rich wine culture, which is beautifully embodied in the jamon iberico, a local wine that dances on the palate with its unique blend of sweet and savory. This is just one of the many exquisite wines that Malaga has to offer, each with its own distinct flavor profile, carefully crafted from the region's fertile vineyards. In addition to its fine wines, Malaga also boasts an array of luxurious spas, each providing a tranquil oasis amidst the city's bustling energy. These spas offer a myriad of rejuvenating treatments, from invigorating massages and soothing facials to detoxifying body wraps and calming aromatherapy sessions. Each experience is designed to transport you into a state of deep relaxation, allowing you to truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the lap of luxury. With a glass of fine wine and a relaxing spa retreat, Malaga offers the perfect luxury getaway. Malaga is not just about luxury, it's also about beautiful sights and historical landmarks. As we journey through the picturesque city, we encounter the breathtaking La Malagueta, an iconic bullring standing proud since the 19th century. This monumental structure, with its stunning neo-Mudéjar architecture, is a testament to Malaga's rich cultural heritage. Once the ground for thrilling bullfighting spectacles, today it serves as a historical monument, enticing visitors with its captivating allure. Venturing into the heart of Malaga's old town, we discover the majestic Ronda. Perched high up on the El Tajo Gorge, this ancient town is a spectacle to behold. Its history, dating back to the Roman times, is etched into every stone and cobblestone street. The Puente Nuevo Bridge, a marvel of 18th century engineering, spans the deep chasm, linking the old and new parts of the town in a grand display of architectural prowess. Our journey through Malaga's historical landmarks wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Paseo del Parque. This botanical garden, a green oasis in the heart of the city, is a splendid fusion of nature and art. With its exotic plants, ornate fountains, and beautiful sculptures, it's a tranquil retreat away from the city's hustle and bustle. Lastly, we tread the dangerous yet exhilarating path of El Caminito del Rey, or the King's Little Pathway. Once dubbed as the world's most dangerous walkway, it was refurbished to ensure safety while preserving its thrilling appeal. Traversing through steep gorges and over dizzying heights, it offers unobstructed views of the stunning landscapes, making every step on this path a memory to cherish. From luxurious lifestyle to beautiful sights, Malaga offers an experience like no other. As we bask in the afterglow of our journey through time and beauty, we can't help but realize that Malaga is not just a city, it's a living, breathing storybook, waiting to be read, one landmark at a time. Indeed, Malaga is a city that offers a perfect blend of luxury, history, and beauty. It's a city that whispers tales of the past while basking in the present. It's a city that invites you to lose yourself in its winding streets, its stunning landscapes, and its vibrant culture. As the sun sets on this beautiful city, we bid it a fond farewell, carrying with us memories of a journey we'll cherish forever. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Malaga. We hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have. If you're planning a trip to this amazing city, be sure to check out the link below for some fantastic suggestions to make your experience even more memorable. And remember, Malaga is more than just a destination, it's an experience waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on an exciting journey with us. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.